be there for me. I'll be your one and only. It's on me, it's on me. Our love and it goes so deep. I won't make you feel lonely. I'll give you something holy. It's lovely, it's lovely.
You know, say a whole heap of historic place in Jamaica where we never go yet.
You know, sir, them place I'm rather. I don't like the popular one them.
Well, at least you have that in common.
I know T. I'm telling my love about you the most. You're flashy. Anything can work.
I don't know if I true my grow with my grandmother. I just love them kind of vibe here, but it's not my style.
And this is what I love about you.
Yeah, if we do more of this, it not to be no big fancy place, we just can come out of the house more often.
I'm a promiser, so we're gonna do more of this.
We can't make work take over our life and we not enjoy each other company.
Alright, let us make a deal. At least one time per week, we find somewhere and go. What do you think about that?
I know you attack. That sounds good.
T, the cookout surprised me. Like, the crowd we get, unbelievable.
Yeah, but it's a whole heap of people you know turn up.
Yeah, but me see a whole heap of new faces at the after party. Me don't know them. You know them?
No, probably a people from in the community, you know them family, what we don't know.
You know, say right? Because them can be family all overseas. So summertime now, so them come check in. You're right.
Yeah, and we did send out a flyer, so you know there's something gonna circulate.
So what you say? Once every 3 months?
Babe, I think we should do this once a year because the 3 months thing it go really pressure we and me don't want to lose a chef day, that a year chef.
We attack super bigs. I'm a general that babes. You see them Monday? Bad pan recipe. I'm a supervisor.
And that's why I say once a year so we can plan it around theme time.
Alright, but babe, I think we can do it 2 times for the year. You know, in a February, in a Black History Month, so you know, say heritage and culture, we can provide food, and then back in the summer.
Huh. That not so bad. I mean, we can work with that and we can make it an event.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so.
Annual things.
Yeah, but we can work with that. We can work with that.
Yeah. So, what we are going to do about the shop, babe?
Let's not think about the shop. When the shop stay for now. The money we earn from the cookout, we're going to put that together and you have your job to do and me have my job to do. Plus, we still have to find time to spend with each other. So, we're not going to think about the shop right now. Right?
Alright, fair. Question. Who's the mother?
She good enough? I mean, she come look for me. You never there here. You're always there at work when she come look for me. So, you're not going to see her.
Alright. I know some always think about it. Are you alone, shop?
Yeah, I mean, along, why I'm not here from my mother, so, yeah, I mean, I don't shop.
You confuse me. You don't think if your mother they have a next child, you don't think she'll tell you?
I mean, I guess, I never really asked her, so.
Alright, well, me think say if your mother did have another child, she'll tell you.
Yeah, I think she would have tell me. You know, see how quick that one I cook out? He foot never up yet.
Well, the man does glad send the back on him foot, you know, so you can't ever blame him.
But I'm gonna lie, I'm happy for him. But I just want him to take it easy.
Yo, we come a far away, you know? And the person I am today, like, I owe a part of it to you. Thank you.
Aww, you're welcome, baby. And I'm glad I have you in my life because you keep me grounded.
For real?
Babe, let me explain. Being with Threads, I develop a temper. And if me still have him in my life or somebody like him, I don't know the person when I become, but what I try to say is, you're the calm side of me.
and you are the calmer side for me also. And let me explain. Like before me they have this badness persona, I was like a nerd and them thing they is it and me they have to try to prove to people say me can do this, you know, and all of that are ego. So when I have you, you just show me balance and show me say yo me can be way more than that with my potential.
Well, the important thing is you find a balance and it's good to be yourself. And don't worry, I like your nerd style.
Alright babe. You see the nerd style is still here, but I want you to know say Super Blacks is still here. Cause if a boy all see all around with the pay cut, you know. Hold this, hold that.
Babe, Super Blacks is not here today. It's Karim, so may I beg you, put away the knife and I could go home. But don't want you spoil the rest of it.
Let me know say.
Super Black, I know.
Let me know say Super Blacks is still here, but it's not great.
Fight? Boba!
I don't know any bubbles. A Smith call me and tell me something for come down there right now.
When you go talk to him?
May I talk to him today? I may I call Maureen to meet me down there.
Alright. Just keep me posted.
Yeah, may I make you know how I go on? Alright. Yes, Maureen. Me go send you one address. I want you meet me there so in about an hour. Yes, Maureen. It's important. Alright.